Over here I've got a Russian pocket watch that I've been working on. I've tweaked it to get it running again, and I've lubed it up, and it is got an exceptionally good amplitude, but it's running at plus 153 seconds per day. So I'm just going to turn this around to show you. So that's where it's running with respect to its beat error and its amplitude. I'm talking right now, so it's not helping because it's picking up that on the microphone. So what I'm going to do is adjust that and get it going again properly. So let me just put this down again, and so now to adjust the watch, I need to slow it down. So to slow it down, I need to lengthen the amount of hairspring that's applied. So what I have to do is slow this thing down a bit. So what I'll do is take this arm and push it in this direction, which just lengthens the hairspring slightly. So I got to get in tight with that. And you can do that with a screwdriver, or you can do it with a toothpick. It's recommended that you do it with a toothpick, because if the screwdriver slips, you're kind of screwed, so to speak. That's a joke. So I'll just nudge it just a bit here. There, I just moved it a bit, and I'll see what the result is. So I got to quiet down here for a second. That's settling down really nicely. That's about as good as it gets. So I'm going to leave it there. It is really well adjusted. And pop the back on, and we're done.